Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review FeedBear. FeedBear is a customer feedback management tool, and they were on AppSumo previously, and this is maybe their second launch on AppSumo. And see, in the previous launch, they have gotten 45 reviews, and see, the reviews are 5 star. And they are saying that FeedBear lets users submit ideas and features requests that you can track with public roadmaps and change logs. That means it's a feedback management tool, and you can also create your product roadmap by using this awesome tool, guys. And this tool is best for developers, product managers, and SaaS owners. So these are the things. Now, if you see the lifetime deal pricing of FeedBear from here, they are offering up to license tier 3 here, see, single, double, and multiple. And the license tier 1 or single code pricing is 99 USD. Here you will get access of 2 projects, and everything is unlimited, unlimited idea boards, then unlimited user, unlimited admin user, and you will get all these features. See, there have a lot of features, so you will get all these features with all this code. If you get this double code, then you will get access of 5 project, and if you get multiple code, then you will get access of this unlimited project. So if you want to get unlimited project access, then you have to get this code 3, and it's 297 USD. But you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing, guys. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on FeedBear lifetime deal. Now, without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of FeedBear and let's explore how things works here and how it can be helpful for you. But before that, one thing I want to mention, guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you're interested to join such group, guys, you're cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now, this is the dashboard of FeedBear that you will get. And here, see, I have created one board already. If you want to create more board, just click here, new board, and then you will get this section. Basically, here you have to give the name of your board, you have to add the slug, and then here you have to add page heading, page description, and all the things you have to add basically here. So let me add these things one by one. Let's say the name of this board will be Passivern, and the slug will be this one. You can change if you want. Then page heading, let's say the heading will be Passivern feedback board. And then here you can give the description. Let's say the description I will give here, grow online business. And then here they have option for new post form customization, intro heading. So here you can add the intro heading, and by default it will add your idea, so I'm keeping as it is. And intro text you can change also from here. And then they have option for form title, so you can change these things. Form title placeholder you can change. Then they have form body, and then here form body placeholder you can change basically. Also, you can add form footer text if you want. Let's say I'll add, here is the form footer text. And then they have option for form button idea, so I'll add here add idea. And then here default status for new post. So here default status you can add as planned. That means whenever someone will submit any idea, then it will be added to your planned section. And then they have option to hide ideas with no set, so you can hide it also. I'm not hiding. And then voting setting, hide count of vote. If you want to hide, then just enable it. Let's say I will not enable it. And then if I save the board, let's see what will happen. So our board has been created. See here, if I now click here on these things, see here this Passivern board I have been created, and here this feature request board. Now, if I open this URL in another window where I haven't logged in, let me copy this window from here, and then let's say I'll open it on this window. So let me paste it here, and then see, it's look like that, and people will see like that basically. That means when your users or when your audience will come to this board to add their idea, they will see something like that. And let's say I will add some idea as a user here. So here I'll give, let's say, title 101, any title your user can give, and here they have to give the description, that means what they want. So let's say, let me copy some description from here just for test purpose, guys. Let's say I'll copy this description and then I will add it here. So these are the things, guys. After that, they have option to attach image, so your user can attach image also if they want. And then they have name, so let's say the name is Dhurbo 101, and then here they have to insert the email. Let's say this is the email, and then here they have to agree for the privacy policy and terms and condition, and then they have to click on this add idea. And see, here I have been added in the footer section. Here is the form footer text. See, this text has been added here. So these are the things, I hope you get idea. And here is the description. These things you can change, all the things basically from here you can change, guys. So now if I add the idea, let me add the idea, and then see, here your user will see like that. Now people can vote from here like that. See, here have the voting option, and then they have discussion, so people can also add here discussion. They can comment here, they can reply here. Let's say I will add one comment as a user also. Let's say comment one, and then let's say I'll add one image here. Just click here attach image and then browse your file here. So I have been added this image, let's say, and then upload one file. If I click, then it will be added. Now if I just click here comment, then it will be added in the comment section. Now people can reply on this comment. See here, reply one, and also they can add image here also. So these are the things. See, here people can comment, people can reply. Now if I reply here again, see, reply to. So these are the things. In this way, people can comment, reply, and these things people can do. And people can edit the post also. See, they have time frame. So within this 3 minutes and 33 seconds, people have to edit this post basically. Otherwise, maybe they will not be able to edit this post. Now, if we go to the Passivern section, see here, these are the idea that I have been added as a user. So these are the things, and they have filtering option. People can filter as trending, as my votes, as recent, as most discussed. Also they have status. See, different status there are available. They can filter according to this status. So these are the things, I hope you get idea. Now if I go to the roadmap section now, see, okay, before going to the roadmap, let me reload it from my dashboard. See, in this dashboard, I am logged in. That means this is my admin dashboard basically, and from here I can see all the things that people has been submitted. And see, there have board setting, export idea, import idea, and new board. And if I go to the board setting, see, from here you can change this board settings basically. I hope you get idea, and these things we have been explored previously. Now if I go to this export idea, if I just click here export, and then they will be exported as a CSV file. See, similarly you can import the idea as a CSV file, and then they have new board. You can create new board also from here. So these are the things. Now if I go to the roadmap, see, here is the roadmap, and see, this is title 11, and this title I has been added as a user. And in the setting section, I have been set up that whenever someone will add any idea, then they will automatically add it to this plant section. And see, it has been added on this plant section. So these are the things. And if I just open this URL, let me copy this URL, and then if I open this URL in another browser, see, this is the roadmap. People will see like that. So these are the things, people can vote also from here. So these are the things, I hope you get idea, guys, about this feature and about this tool. And see, there have different filter option, different board option. You can edit the status also from here. See, if I just click here edit status, see, there have different status. You can add more status. Just click here add status, and let's say here I'll add one status video, and then just enter. So this status will be added also. So these are the things, I hope you get idea. You can change the status color, you can delete the status color, and then you can drag and drop these things also. You can rearrange these things. They have edit roadmap option. If I just click here edit roadmap, then here, see, you can change these things. See, here at first we have need your opinion, but if I just drag and drop these things on plant, see, this will be changed. The plant will be come to this first option. let me reload it. The plant section will be come to this first column. Let me reload it. See, plant has been come to this first column. So these are the things. You can add more idea from here also on your dashboard. Just click here, add idea, and then here you can add other name, and then title. Let's say I'll give here title 102, and here add the description that you want. Let's say this is my description, and then you can add image also, and then here you can select the board, on whose board you want to submit it basically, and then here you can change the status basically. Let's say I'll give it in progress, and then if I just edit it on add idea, then it will be added in progress section. See, here is the title 102. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, guys, about this roadmap section. So at first we have been explored this board section, and then we have been explored this roadmap section. After that, if I go to this update section, see here you can add new entry basically. If I click here create new entry, then here let's say I will give the title entry 1, and here I will add some news. Let me copy this news from here, and then I will paste it here. And then if I select here now or schedule, you can also schedule it. You can save it as draft, but let me publish it right now. Also, there have label, guys. You can label these things. So I haven't labeled. Let me edit these things and then let me label it. See, let's say I'll check it as improved and fixed. And then if I save it now, then they will be added as improved and fixed. See, you can see all your entry basically from here. Now if I go to another browser where this is not the admin dashboard, guys, if I go to this update section, then people will see the updates. So in this way you can also announce all the updates and all the new things that are happening on your company or on your software in this update section. See, people can also filter it depending on various status. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. And here people can see all your um, boards basically. See, there I have two boards that I have been created here, and then there have roadmap. People can see the roadmap, what is your roadmap, and then people can see the update. So the tool is very straightforward, guys, and it's very easy to use. There is no very complex things here is available. You can manage it by your own within maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and it will not give you a lot of hassle. So these are the things. Now see, there I have new project. You can add new project from here. See, this is one project basically that we have been explored, and if you want you can add new project from here. And if you see the FeedBear lifetime deal pricing from here, see, this project will vary depending on your code. If you get single code, then you can add up to 2 project. If you get code 3, then you can add unlimited project here basically. So these are the things. So depending on your need of project, you have to get the code that you need. After that, they have project setting and my account. If I go to this project setting, guys, let me go and see from here. You can change the logo. You can here add the squared icon basically, and then you can change the project name. You can add the project subdomain. See, here I have added as Dhurbo, and that's why my subdomain is here dhurbo.feedbear.com. So these are the things. I hope you get idea about this. And see, there I have option for choose what is displayed as your project home screen. So you can select anything that you want to show as your home screen basically. See, we have added our feature request home screen here. We have added Passivern, homepage, roadmap, and updates. So these things are available here basically. See, so you have to select from here basically what you want to show as your home screen. So these are the things. You can delete the project also from here. After that, they have billing and team option. So in the billing, you can change the billing settings basically, and here you can add your team member in the team setting basically. And see, here have the integrations, and they have JPR integration, Intercom integration, Slack integration, and Trello integration. After that, they have single sign-on option, so you can also enable these things. After that, they have custom domain, so you can add your custom domain from here. After that, they have feedback. So if I go to the feedback option, then see, here they're saying voting on feedback post, and there have option requires user to log in or sign up to vote on the post. So if you require user to log in or sign up to vote, then you have to enable it. But in my case, let's say I will not enable it. After that, they have roadmap. So here you can keep everyone updated on what you are working on in this roadmap setting basically. That means on which page you want to keep updated, you have to select these things basically. After that, they have update setting, widget setting. See, these are the widget setting. And here you can enable, that means you can basically embed this FeedBear on your website. See, they have a script. You have to just copy and paste this little script on the back end of your website. Then it will be added on the front end of your website as a embedded site. So these are the things. You can add custom CSS from here if you want, and you can export it also. And then they have webhook. So if you need webhook to integrate this FeedBear tool with another tool, then you can also get access of this webhook. After that, they have email setting. So you can also get the email setting basically from here. After that, the last option is translation setting. So you can select your language basically from here. See, these are the languages that are available, and then you can save. So these are the things. I hope you get idea about this FeedBear tool, guys. The tool is really a straightforward tool, and the tool is very easy to use. If you think as you need this type of tool or this type of feedback manager tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this FeedBear lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of FeedBear lifetime deal in the description and in the comment section of this video with 10% discount. You can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on FeedBear lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, as if you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think as this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.